Do I need to file an income tax return if I was unemployed last year and received no unemployment benefits? It's kind of a complicated question. Again, we get this a lot because last year was a tough year. Tough economic year for lots of people, lots of new small businesses out there because they did find themselves unemployed. That's a great kind of silver lining because maybe that's a good time to try this new idea that you've had. But the key point for the question is if you had no income, then you're probably not required to file a tax return. There are a couple of limits to keep in mind. It's not just whether or not you owe tax. If you had gross income of about $9,700, even if you had all expenses on a business, for example, or you had enough deductions not to have to pay any tax, if you have that gross income threshold, you still might have to file a tax return. Now in this case, if you had no income, no unemployment benefits, then you're probably not required to file a tax return. There's another caveat too to keep in mind. If you have about $900 or so in unearned income, that's like dividend income or interest from investments and those type of things. Even if you had no W-2 or no small business income, if you had that much in unearned income, you still have to file a tax return. So there's a couple of different ways that you need to address that. But in your case, if you've got no income, no unemployment benefits, then you're not going to have to file a tax return.